in the pines where the sun never shines. I shiver the whole night through. Blacker, where will you go? I'm going where the cold wind blows. To the pines, where the sun never shines. I will shiver the cold that blows. Don't lie to me, tell me where did you sleep last night? In the pines, where the sun never shines. Shiver the whole night through. My heart's the wolf, a railroad man, till the bottom heart from here. Was found in the driver's wheel, and his body has never been found. Where will you go? Blacker the night gloaming. To the pines, where the sun never shines. I will shiver the whole night through.
Sí, pero todavía habrá alguna. Ah, tiene una especial.
Solo.
Parece que tengo es mentira. Arriba, arriba.
begin to bark, and the hound begin to howl. When the ducks begin to bark, and the hound begin to howl. Watch out, French people, 'cause little red rooster is on the prowl. If you see my little red rooster, please drag him home. If you see my little red rooster, please drag him home. Nothing in the barnyard since my little red rooster gone. You see my little rooster, please drag him home. If you see my little rooster, please drag him home. There ain't no peace in the barnyard since my little red rooster had gone. Vamos a hacer una canción de los Rolling Stones. Que lleva por título y esperemos generamos inquietud, generamos, como te diría yo, no es exactamente eso, o sea, es una endorfina así algo rara y tal. Oh, help me, please, doctor, I'm Dennis. That's the day where the walls were so hard. day, that's the day of the plunge. Oh, the girl I'm married, it's about that show. I've been drinking and sucking like a sponge. Don't worry, God bless like my mother. I should please with the bourbon so sour. Come your long head down for your lady in the way for an hour. Please, mama, I'm sipping. It's the day of the plunge. Oh, the girl I have to marry is about it. So I've been sucking and drinking like a sponge. Don't you worry, get dressed like my mother. Please me with bourbon so sour. Just out, put your seat on, come your long hair down for your within an hour. Please stop the I'm damaged. There's a place where the walls was a heart. It's beating, it's sleeping. Can you please take out? I'm pretending I don't and I A ver, una cosita que respecta a un... ¿cómo era este? Buddy Holly.
¿Pones una cerveza? Por favor.
Bueno, está poniendo por aquí, ¿eh? Pero ya lo ha visto, ella ya lo ha visto antes de que lo dijera. El amplificador se seca.
Take it down, baby. On twist and shout. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, baby. Jump on and work it all out. Well, work it all out. You know you look so good. You know you look so fine. No, it's just a little closer. So let me know that you're mine. keep your love to me. Come and I love you every night and day. You know my love won't be far away. Well, you know my love won't be far away. My love is bigger than a Cadillac. I'll try to show you if you drive it back. Your love for me has got to be real. Before you love me, honey, how I feel. Oh, let me show you, honey, how I feel. My love is bigger than a Cadillac. Well, I'm gonna show you if you got me back. Your love for me has got to be real. So let me show you, honey, how I feel. Oh, let me show you, honey, how I feel. You're gonna keep your love to me. I'm gonna show you how love and is. Love is here and it's here to stay. You know my love won't be far away. You know my love won't be far away. Oh, you know my love won't be far away. Muy especialmente queremos agradecer la asistencia, cómo no.
Realmente
Pues habrá que ver. Lo dejo a tu...
A ver, el tema no nos queda ninguno. ¿Puedes repetir?
No,
Hay que repetir.
Nos queda una muy bonita, cuidado.
no,
Demasiado bonita, demasiado bonita,
Michael Jackson.
No. Bueno, nunca se sabe.
La misma que no. Sí. Lo cual viene a ser un...
O sea, estos de los Animals. Esperamos que sea del agrado de todos ustedes y de aquella señora, porque pese a ser de los Animals, es una canción muy buena y es una canción que...
Pese a ser de los ánimos. Ven y ponlo ahí a la voz.
If you ever change your mind about the little loving, bring it home to me. Bring it home to me.
Será por botones. Ay, madre mía.
Llega una edad que nada, llega una edad que... Bueno, queridos amigos, damas y caballeros, nosotros no es por importunar, pero todos sabemos que llega un momento en el que, con lágrimas en los ojos y risa en el corazón, ¿qué más? ¿Cómo podemos expresar nosotros aquesta emoción que nos ha... Sí, pues no.
No, ala, pues ahora no.
Dos más.
Que se los niegan, que estos son rebeldes.
Bueno, ya como quien dice, para decirles adiós, con lágrimas en los ojos.
Los labios rotos y como un seco.
Well, I'm gonna leave it away, won't be back no more. Going down south, don't you wanna go? But I'm home, I'll be holding mine. And I can't be satisfied, I just can't keep from crying. When I feel like slamming pistol in your face, gonna let some graveyard be your resting place. I'm not broken, I'll do it, man. Now I can't be satisfied, and I just can't keep from crying. When I feel like snapping, pistol in your face, gonna let some graveyard Lord be your resting place. After all, I'll be holding back. I can't be satisfied, I just can't keep from crying. Un beso bien grande a todos.
Ya me gustaría sonar con esa la mierda. Bueno, pues.
Muchas se van a hacer por los pies.
¡Bravo!
Alicante es feísimo, te
Bueno,
digo.
tú a mí me tienes que dar un besito. La verdad que lo
Algo ya te
pasamos
fila
rápidamente,
mierda,
¿eh?
Gracias por venir.
Pasamos el calor allí, ¿eh?
Esperemos que sí. Pero pasar calor, maldita sea.
Igual que aquí, perdona, que aquí hace calor, ¿eh? Ah, perdona.